right, parents and students. So on the flyers I've sent home and the emails and the things we passed out at back to school night, you got a link to this Weebly. So the first thing I would like for you to do when you type it in, swiderski8gmss.weebly.com, I'd love for you to put a star here and highlight that, because what that's going to do when you highlight that and you press done is it's going to show up somewhere on your toolbar. So it's favorited either at home on your home computer or your school laptop. That way, all you have to do is click and you are at the Weebly. So a few things to know. First and foremost, okay, this is going to be our classroom calendar. Now, as I'm recording this, it is currently May 24th. So as you may imagine, it is the end of the school year. There are two things to notice, okay? I will always highlight important things that are either tests or information about retakes. If you're in pre-algebra, you just need to look up here at this pre-algebra classwork, okay? And then green is algebra. So usually what I'll write in here is CW for classwork and HW for homework. You'll be able to look ahead. You can see the IXLs that are due that week. Pretty much everything you need to know is on this Weebly. So if you're absent or your student is absent, this is the first place I recommend you go. If you want to backtrack because you were gone sick for a few days, you can always look back here at the Weebly. Down below is my Instagram account, our classroom Instagram, Swiderski Classroom. Follow me. And my email address if anybody needs to get a hold of me, and our school number. All right. As you scroll up, a few things to notice. Students, we're going to be talking about this grade change form and retake form. When you click that, okay, it's going to tell me, hey, do I want to retake a test or retake a homework check? And you'll be checking in with me as soon as you fill those out, which we'll be talking about in class. But parents, the main things I want to point out to you here is algebra and 8th grade math. So if your student is in 8th grade pre-algebra math, I've put all the videos in here for your students with some answer keys. So if they're absent, they can go and check their work, or they can click some notes and go in and watch the notes that they missed. This is a great tool for studying. In addition, I've uploaded your notes. I plan on uploading all the study guides. All those important things can be found here on the Weebly. So again, you're going to notice we have 8 units, 8 units in math this year. All these will be here as resources for you at home if you're confused as to how to do the math, or parents, if it's a new way of thinking because of Common Core standards, which are awesome, feel free to go watch it so you can get a hold of the information and learn how we're learning in class. Same thing here for algebra. All this information can be found over here. You're just going to click on the link and go watch the videos. The last thing we're going to do in class, which I'm super excited about, is this Flipgrid post. So why Flipgrid? Flipgrid is an awesome new app, and since we have such great technology in our district, it's really important for us to continue collaborating and communicating to be effective lifelong learners. And so as we do that, one thing we're going to think about is our future. And in high school or in your real world job one day, or in college, you might have to have video chats or explain why you did something and how you did it, how you got your answer. So Flipgrid's an awesome app you can get on your phone or on the computer. Students will be practicing this in class, so you have an idea as to what it means. But a Flipgrid, I'm going to pose a question through a video, and you're going to respond with your answer in less than 1 minute and 30 seconds. So this is a great way for you to be practicing some of these skills that you will need to be successful in your future. We'll talk about this in class. So parents, I just wanted to get you used to this Instagram, favorite it, follow it. Feel free to email me. Parents, I also put a really great link in here called questions for you under the home page, under parents. I love this article because if your son or daughter is anything like I was in 8th grade, if you ask them how was school today, fine, it was good, what'd you do, nothing. Here are a bunch of questions you can ask your students that are not yes, no, nothing, kind of one choice or the other answer. So these questions are super helpful. I highly recommend you read through them. These are great questions to ask your student to get them to reflect more on their day. I will also put this video under the Parents tab so you can watch it again if you're confused or want to navigate this website. Feel free to email me with any ideas you have or any questions you have. I look forward to this year and hope to talk to you soon.